The volcano on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula began erupting again on Sunday morning, with lava reaching the evacuated small town of Grindavik, setting houses on fire about 1 month after an eruption in December forced hundreds of citizens out of their homes. Authorities in Iceland began detecting intense seismic activity in the Reykjanes Peninsula in November, prompting concerns that another volcanic eruption could hit the region located less than 20 miles south of Iceland's capital. The Reykjanes Peninsula is a hotbed of volcanic activity, home to a large active volcano system that has erupted 5 times since 2021. About 3,600 people, most of the population of the small town of Grindavik, were evacuated in November after over 1,700 small earthquakes hit the region in just 24 hours. The volcano finally erupted on December 18, and died down a few days later. A few hundred residents were allowed to return to their homes in the following weeks since the eruption, Bloomberg reported in January. Those same residents were forced to evacuate for a second time on Saturday night. Elsewhere in the world, Mount Marapi on the Indonesian island of Sumatra began erupting again on Sunday morning as well. About 100 people were evacuated from villages on the massive volcano's mountainside, the Associated Press reported, citing Indonesian authorities. The eruption spouted a massive column of ash reaching as high as 4,200 feet into the air. Like Reykjanes, Marapi also erupted in December, killing 24 hikers who were taken by surprise on the mountain.